Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we discuss about the 7 effective strategies which you adopt and earn money from YouTube. And let's start our video. How to make money on YouTube, 7 effective ways or strategies. Here is a table of content. Number 1 is join the YouTube partner as a program. Number 2, sell your own merch. Number 3, create sponsored content. Number 4, become an affiliate partner. Number 5, get your fans to pay you directly. Number 6, use crowdfunding. Number 7, license your content to be media. And now we discuss the first point, join the YouTube partner program. And what is the YouTube join program is? The YouTube program is how regular YouTubers get access to special feature on the platform. You don't need to be a partner to make money on YouTube. Just setting up an AdSense account and getting views is enough to handle that. But being a partner makes it a lot easier. YouTube partner have access to multiple income streams, not just video ads, but YouTube Premier subscription fees and features that tap your loyal fans' wallet directly like Super Chat. Channel membership and the merchandise shelf, more on these letters. And in first joining the YouTube partners, the first step is start a YouTube channel. Don't worry, we have a handle guide for this. It's called How to Create a YouTube Channel. Number 2, step your channel successful enough that it meets the YouTube partner program requirement. Number 3 step is set up an AdSense account. Number 4, explore your new monetization features. And second point is sell your own merch. And what is this? Sell your own merch is maybe you identify as a content creator first and the entrepreneur second. Just remember that even dog sells t-shirts. Alternately, you are an entrepreneur first and video creator second, which means you probably already have a product and you are designing your YouTube marketing strategy to sell it. Either way, merchandise is a viable way to earn money from YouTube. And it's a step 1 is image and design your product. Merchandise of your channel is meant to both represent and feed your audience connection with you. That means your merch should be unique. And what is the second step? Second step is source either or build your product. In most cases, you will need a manufacturer, supplier, or wholesaler to make and deliver your product. Some suppliers will deliver it to you, and some will spare you the headache of inventory, shipping, and return by handling it themselves. And number 3 step is create your shop and landing page. You will need a separate website to handle purchases if you want to be link it directly from your videos, and you do. Refer to YouTube list proof merchandise sites. Number 4 step is enable your YouTube partner merchandise shelf. YouTube partner can also use the shelf feature to sell their channel's merchandise if you are eligible. Follow YouTube's instructions to enable it. Number 5 step is promote your product in your videos. This is where your charm come in, where in or use your merch in your videos. Feature viewers who have bought and are using it. If you are on another platform, we might call this user generated content or possibly solid gold. After this step, we are going to the third point, and that is create sponsored content. You don't have to be on Instagram to be a influencer. The advantage of the sponsor strategy is that you don't have to give YouTube a cut of your earning. You negotiate directly with the brand and they pay you directly. No wonder it's popular way to YouTuber to make money. If you can offer brands a large order, engage audience and your content is relative to their target marketing, they probably want to be hear from you. And it's the first step is find a brand to partner with. Quality is important when it comes to the names you work with. You probably already have a wish list of dreams brands. Whether you are aiming for the stars of building yourself up grassroots styles, make sure you perfect your brand pitch before you send it. Step 2 is make a deal. According to the recent study by influencer marketing platform Clear, YouTube video are on average the most expensive type of sponsor contact brand can buy from influencer. Basically, YouTube influencers are able to charge more for their videos than they would be Instagram stories or Facebook post because videos is just more expensive to procedure. Number 3 step is transport your about your sponsored or ads. Sponsored content in advertising that mean you need to make sure you are in step with Google ad policies. The FTC US and ASA UK both have guideline of which you should be aware too if you are American or British. And number 4 point is become an affiliate partner. If your YouTube audience is loyal and engaged but not quit there yet, head count wise, look for companies invest in affiliate marketing. YouTuber affiliated with the business encourage their viewers to visit the brand's online store or specific product pages. They then get a percentage of sales made through their, you guessed it, affiliate link. And number 5 step is get your fans to pay you directly. This strategy for making money on YouTube includes a few different income streams, but they all have one thing in common. You have to make it easy for your fans to show their appreciation with their credit card. And it's a step 1 is host live chats where people can use super chat. In early 2017, YouTube replaced their previous fan funding features with super chat. This is a feature that is only available to YouTube partners while they live stream. So second step is encourage your fans to become a channel member. YouTube offer the ability to let your viewers pay you to become member of your channel. In exchange, they get custom emoji, badges, and access to members only exclusive like live chats with you. Number 3 step is encourage your fans to become YouTube Premier subscriber. This step is the last of our list for this strategy because it benefits your channel only indirectly. That said, when YouTube Premier member watch your channel, you get a cut of their subscription fee, and does every other channel they watch. And number 6 point is use crowdfunding. Soliciting donations online is now commonplace whether you are looking to build ongoing revenue from a pool of small monthly donations or looking to fund a personal channel related projects. Crowdfunding is how many YouTubers make money. Step 1 is step up a crowdfunding account. YouTube has a list of approved crowdfunding sites to choose from. For recurring funding, Patreon is a top choice. Meanwhile, sites like GoFundMe or Kickstarter are best for one of company campaigns to get a new mic or new laptop or a new spleen. And second step is promote your company in your videos. Detail your specific goals so that people know exactly what they can accept with you. You have succeeded. Also, offer enticing perks that stacks as your fans choose how much they want to donate. Step 3 is go beyond YouTube. A successful campaign is a multi platform affair. We have some advice on how to promote your YouTube channel and by extension your crowdfunding campaign everywhere else. Number 7 and last point is license your content to the media. When a video goes viral, every news outlet want to get their hands on a copy in order to replay it for their audience. Fortunately, established media companies are well aware that they need to pay for what they use.